Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set up a scheduled action in Gemini. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gemini application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone, open up the App Store, search for Gemini, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with scheduling actions. So to set up a scheduled action, you can do so right here in the prompt menu, but keep in mind you first need to go ahead and log into your Google account because Gemini is not usable with other Google accounts. So once you're logged in and greeted by this prompt menu, now we can get started. So after opening up the Gemini app, we are going to type a prompt describing what you want done and when. So there is an example guys. You can type out that every morning at 8 a.m. you want to go ahead and summarize my unread emails and calendar, or every Monday at 9 a.m. write 5 ideas for my blog. So after that you can hit submit. Gemini will show a summary of your scheduled request and you can review the details and confirm. So Gemini is going to make up the schedule action for yourself. It's going to schedule it instead of you, but you're just going to go ahead and tell it what you want done, and it's going to go ahead and do everything instead of you, schedule it and remind you and so on, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.